Hello and welcome to another video here on Powerdojo. In this video, we're going to have a look at the difference between add column and transform column in Power Query. And for this example, we want to use a data set as shown where we have three columns: club, player name, goals. These are the top 5 goal scorers of the ongoing Champions League. At the time of recording of this video, these are the top 5 goal scorers. The club they represent, their names and the corresponding goals. So let's say, for instance, the column player name, we only want to keep the last name of the player. For instance, for Robert Lewandowski, we only want to keep Lewandowski as player name. So there are two ways you can do this. First, by using the transform column option. For that, you need to click on the transform tab like this, and in the extract function, you will see an option called text after delimiter. What will be the delimiter in this case? It's a blank space. And if I were to say OK, you see we have the last names of all the players. Now this is one way you can achieve your objective of getting the last name of the player. But what if you want to keep the original values? So in that case, you need to add a column instead of transforming it. For that, I will remove the last step and click on the add column tab. And once again, you'll see we also have an extract option over here. You have to click on it, choose text after delimiter again. Once again, we type in blank space and say OK. Now what's happening is we have our original column as it is, but we now have an additional column which mentions the last name of the player. So now which method you should use, it comes down to what is your requirement. If you want to keep the original column as it is, maybe adding a column is a better option. If you're not constrained with that, you can transform the column as we saw earlier. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments of what you thought about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.